Alright, I'm leaving Uncle Johnny, and the shelters, there's one like 4 miles up, and then there's one 17 miles up, so I think we're going to be actually camping with a view today. I looked at the forecast, no rain, but it seems pretty overcast, but I'm crossing the river that I can't pronounce. But anyways, we'll see. At that camp spot, it's almost 14 miles, it's 13.8. Gosh, I'm really thinking I might have to do a flip-flop. I'm really thinking that, but we'll see. So I didn't get a good night's sleep last night because what I think was a darn raccoon kept on banging its body up against the hostel door, and it was kind of forceful. We put like a rock in front of the door and it kept pouncing on it, and then like it could move it, so we put a big log in front of the door. Eventually it stopped, but it was kind of aggressive to get in, so I think it was a raccoon, probably a big raccoon. Yeah, just banging its body up against the door throughout the night. And I forgot my umbrella. I got like 0.4 in, realized, got my umbrella. So now I did 0.4, and 0.4. So the AT owes me, I think, I don't feel bad about that 0.17 miles that I'm missing Gatlinburg anymore. But yeah, anyways, that's how my day's starting. I don't know if I mentioned this, but they say you get the Virginia blues. I'm getting the Tennessee, North Carolina blues. I feel like I've been in the state forever, and like when I reached the Tennessee border, I didn't really feel accomplished because North Carolina and Tennessee border each other from east to west. So, and then it just kind of rides the Tennessee North Carolina border. So yeah, I didn't really feel all that much joy when I hit the so-called Tennessee border, because I'm still like weaving in and out of North Carolina. Once I reach the Virginia line, then I'll be like, woo! But yeah, this hill out of Erwin, there wasn't a slight packing option yesterday. All the shuttles were booked. So uphill we go, and oh man, it's so hard. It's so hard. I can't wait to get to this first shelter just to air out, because I'm sweaty and I'm wet from the humidity and sweat. I'm never dry. I'm never dry. Unaka Mountain, and I'm on top of the mountain, and there's like a little campsite here. I did 13.8 miles. Well, it's good night, and I'm probably gonna go to the shelter tomorrow, which is gonna be like another 12.5 miles. I need to increase my mileage, but my body is just not letting me, and I'm really considering a flip-flop. But we shall see. But look, I'm in my tent again. I'm actually using my tent after not using my tent for almost 2 weeks. Now I'm like actually using my tent a lot. But yeah, my mom's coming this weekend, and yeah, not much today. So I'm just gonna go to bed. Anyways, good night.